Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your website on Hostinger. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the best plan to get the free domain, free website migration, and other features. And if you want the best plan, please do not forget to visit the link in the description box. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead to the official website. If you want to restore a deleted website or back up your website on Hostinger, first of all, navigate to your website page and then select add website and then empty website, and then enter the domain name of the deleted site if you have one. If your website was connected to a subdomain, make sure to recreate the subdomain before adding it to hosting plan. Next, restore files from backups. Navigate to the website page and then click on the dashboard, and you're gonna see four features. You have 4 steps. Select the files backup. You could choose the preferred date from the list and click on the next step and select the folder named after the website you want to restore, and then click restore files. Okay, and the restoration process can take up to 15 minutes depending on the size of your website. If you want to restore the databases from backups, to restore the databases, you will need to create a new database and then restore the database backup. Okay, so basically, if you want to recreate the database, first of all, create an empty database with the same name, username, and password as the previous one. And to find this information, use the file manager to open the configuration file located in the root folder of the restored website. For domains, the domain dot this one, and for the subdomains, the domain.tld/public underscore HTML in the subdomain. And then navigate to websites dashboard and search for databases management. You're gonna see it under in the sidebar, and then basically to create a new MySQL database, and database is user. Enter the data name, username, and password from your website configuration file, and then click create. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and if you want to know how to back up website, right, on Hostinger, basically go ahead right here. If you want to create backups, right, go ahead to your files and click on under it. You're gonna see backups. Click on it, and basically you're gonna see those features, and go ahead and click generate new backup, and then proceed, and the backup will start to be prepared. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.